There's Boo Boo and Kaya. I just made them Boo Boo ragu for Kaya too. And I had some liver, so I thought liver and onion, just like back in the 1970s when liver and onions was quite a thing. Only this is Venetian liver and onions. Let's check it out.
Ingredients: liver, yummy, sea salt, black pepper, balsamic reduction, Rachel Ray, olive oil, flour, 2 tablespoons of butter, an onion, parmesan, 2 cloves of garlic, a parsley, Prosecco,
The Ruffino. Of course, with Venetian liver and onions, you have to have Prosecco. I know you guys like to hear me open this. Windy, 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 windy. Ooh. I think we've had this one before, haven't we? Nummy.
Let's cook the onions. Cut it in half. Then cut the end pieces off. Peel the skin off of your onion. I like to cut 1/2 of the onion and dice small pieces. Then I like to cut the other half into slices. This will give you some different sized pieces of onions. Put some olive oil in a pan. Then put 1 tablespoon of the butter in. Put the onions in. You always put the butter after the olive oil. That keeps your butter from burning. Mix it all around. Start to cook your onions down. Put some black pepper in. Then some sea salt. Mix it all around and cook them down. Smash a couple of cloves of garlic. Peel them. Cut that little end piece off. You don't want that in your food. Dice up your garlic. Put it in the pan. Next, put some parsley in. Wait a minute, we didn't see you cut the parsley. How many times do you guys want to see me cut the parsley up? Rachel Ray! Put in about, a tablespoon to 2 tablespoons, depending on how sweet you want your onions, of balsamic reduction. Oh, stir it up. Stirry, stirry, stirry. Nummy. Next, pour in a little bit of Prosecco. Not much, just to loosen it up. Once the Prosecco evaporates, put the lid on and set it aside to keep warm. Next, you're going to season your liver. Put sea salt and pepper. Cover both sides completely in flour. You want to make sure you get your liver completely covered with the flour. Next, in a non-stick pan, put some olive oil in. Then your last tablespoon of butter. Wait till it all melts together. Mix it around. Oh, put your liver in. Yummy! Delicious liver. Make sure it's coated in the flour. Nummer. Cook your liver for about 1.5 to 2 minutes per side. You don't want to cook it too long or it'll get dried out and it'll be like liver leather. Oh, so yummy. Wow, that's just about done now. Look at that. This is not your grandma's liver and onions. Next, put your liver on the plate. Pour in some of your excess flour. You want about 2 tablespoons to make a roux. Mix it all up. Ooh, put in some parsley. We didn't see you cut that parsley either. Put in some Prosecco, about 1/2 glass. Cook the alcohol off. This makes your delicious sauce. Oh, look at that sauce. Put the liver back in. You want to coat both sides of the liver in the sauce. Put it back on the plate. Pour the onions Onto the side, a little bit on the liver. You want to see the liver. Then grate some Parmesan on top. Put a little bit of olive oil on. Then pour your delicious sauce over the top. The parsley Prosecco sauce. Yummy. Oh, I can't wait to eat it.
Whoa, where did this delicious garlic bread come from? Here's how to make it.
Slice your bread in half. Next, pour some olive oil on both pieces. Put some Parmesan on. Put some slices of butter on both pieces. Put some finely chopped garlic on both pieces. Then some minced parsley. Then drizzle some olive oil over the top. A little pinch of salt. Bake it in the oven at 350 for about 8 minutes.
Salute, chin chin.